Wake up, Dad. Dad, wake up. Dad, I want to show you something. Wake up.
Okay, kiddo. What is it, kid?
Look, look.
You did all this? It looks great, kid. Who's the purple guy in the corner?
Mr. Molly.
Why is he upside down like that and scary?
No, he says he sleeps like that. Like a bat.
He what?
See, Dad? Look.
I don't see anything, kiddo. Is he actually asleep? Oh my god, he sleeps with his eyes open. That's fucking creepy. Let's let him sleep. What the fuck? Why is he so creepy?
No! I want to hang upside down too. I want to be a bat too.
Fine, here, I'm just gonna... There you go.